President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni kurabira mu ofisi y'enganzi y'ihanga atiriha akakiko ko kucondoza habwenji factory ya Silicon District ya Shema yagwire. Factory katandikwaho government emyaka mukaga enyuma mu rubare kitojo Shema kandi obuhumbana na kamwe bukahoho okugikora konke kazinga makandi tajirane cyarugayo
bashikire bwanyuma project yawe ahabo kuba ahatari wiyo yabebembezi cyangwa kadaga bitagadeka wiyo yabebembezi erabiroho kumekinga strong project yavuza
nico busasi government ekatuhereza sente yatwirize sente wonka habaho uburyanga tarasi abwishi bwakozerwa ikitongore cy'ababene beta 3D sente zakozesebwa kubi wonko bwa hati twagaruka ground President Museveni abo kwenda kwiha abantu mu bworo yagira ngo ebyabireho tubiteye cyarubaju tugaruke twunduze
omnywanisa wa factory na government ya Rwagata na both gambwe nagira ngo akakiko kishenjero kakacondoza kashanga ngo sente za government zikaribwa
nyina masiko ngo empapura engashi budget iyi district yabahereza icyakubasa gukorwa government ko yakabasa kuha sente eziryo mu budget ejo tukabasa kureba mu project yaza hamutindo gwamani kandi abantu baganyirwamo.
Chris Magezi or commission office y'enganzi y'ihanga arakuvugana n'abebembezi ba Shema nagira ngo president ahire kiragiro ngo factory ine kutandika gukora.
Like my senior colleague mentioned, we are here to listen from you. Share those challenges, those issues, those grievances you have. You have made verbal submissions, which we have taken in good faith and noted, but also you have given us records of some of the things.
A memorandum of understanding yitu nk'abanyashema ntija kwisya president ngu eji factory kuyakongera mu sente ikagarike katandike kakora nko kuyabire yakora nango kongera muna n'izindi sente nyingi ikakora kimwe nikiza kuyamba munonga kiza kuyamba umukwereza abantu emirimo kandi no kureba ngo n'abahingi ababire bahingire enkerezo babona esente batungura ahabyentasiya yabo.
Factory kabiriyo kurundana silk kurgomba hinji bono muri ankore ekakora mu myende yabere yo kuguza ubwo munsi yona konkati kirabire hahabwa factory kugwa amakoraga gashakwa Abraham Muganzi.